Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 20th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting on the daily time frame. So we have non-farm payroll news coming out today, and this should be a pretty important news event because we have not had any job data coming out for months now because of the US government shutdown. Now, the trend is definitely up based on structure, and I do definitely admit that this is looking like a possible pullback to this last wave up. We are also sitting at a fib level, so if we do get a break to the upside on shorter time frames today, then it likely would be either a wave C, which would look like that, or perhaps a wave 3, which would be very strong to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, for me, the most recent structure is right here. I think that would help us tell us that the market is really going up. So hopefully we have impulsive up, we have corrective down, and then hopefully at the news we get a nice impulsive up and a nice break of structure. If that does happen, then we definitely want to go back to being bullish and start looking for pullbacks probably for the next several weeks because it should either be a big wave C on the daily or possibly a big wave 3 on the daily. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.